kanitha thikũ ici kũhunjagio prosperity. Nĩ mwatigire kũhunjia Ngai, mũhunjagio tonga na prosperity. And my answer was, this Bible does not have money. This is a campus. In the Bible, there is no money. In the Bible, there is way to get money. Hey! In the Bible, there is no jobs. But there is a way to get a job. So pastors, don't be cowed to preach prosperity. Teach these people about money. Wakinya matuine ne muoyo kaheo. Tondu gutire kindu kingi gituragia mundu guku thi tiga mbia. Oguo oikaire thaa ici ni haria mbia ciaku ciugire. Nona nginya njuri uthondekete oguo ni haria mbia iraregeire. Ni muigana. Ni ungirathondekire njegega no ingotore irarengera hau kurenga ha. Othia petrol station ni aria me ngari haha ni muwi uragio cigana. Maguta ni mayuru na guku thi tondu aria matoi petrol station maguta matiumaga kabombo kau ona karugamite. Gwaita ngiri arita ngiri 40 ithike. Na me hau mothe no ndungikinya petrol-ini moe muguici ucio. Muguici ucio maharukie itangiri aku mahihinye. Aca mamba gukuria mbia cigana. Wauga ne ngiri maka programu ngiri haria rithirira bombo ikarega. Uguo niguo mbeca ihana. No ingire mukawa urie nginya haria mbia ikurengera. Ka ona ukiendaga ndungiria ringi. Ona utanahona tondu mbeca ciaregera hau. Nona haria uikaraga. Aria maikaraga umoja, Dandora, Githurai, Kamae. Ni haria kang'otore gaku karengeire. Ya. No wende guikara Runda, Kileleshwa, Lavington. But money is a silent dictator. Money is a silent dictator. Gari othia nayo ni haria king'otore. Iratu icio wena cio no haria kang'otore. No wende gwikekira wegega. And that's the dynamics we teach you from the word of God. Kogu tukahegeshwa ni mundu wirwate tondu we muhonoku. You don't need to be taught about money and about making wealthy and about being rich. We belong to a rich God. For the growth of any nation, for the growth of any family, you need money.